Have you ever wondered how your competitors are ranking higher than you in search results? Understanding their SEO strategies could be the key to boosting your own rankings. Authority Solutions is here to help you unlock that potential. Let's dive into how you can use competitor analysis to boost your SEO. First, identify who your competitors are. Not just who you think they are, but data-driven competitors. Dive into their keywords, analyze what's working for them. It's not about copying, it's about understanding. Look at their backlinks, what's driving traffic to their site. Next, scrutinize their content, what's engaging their audience. Now take this valuable knowledge and weave it into your own SEO strategies. By understanding your competitors' SEO strategies, you can find gaps in your own strategy and fill them effectively. In summary, competitor analysis is a powerful tool for improving your SEO. By understanding your competitors' strategies, you can enhance your own. If you found these tips helpful, like this video, subscribe to our channel and activate notifications. Remember, your success is our priority at Authority Solutions.